Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the split screen on your iPhone, iPad, any iOS version and any iPhone model. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch the App Store and search for split screen, and we are going to use the second one. Split screen dual window I already download, so tap to open. After loading the application, you will get this interface of the website. Now you have a two screen on your iPhone. Tap Facebook on first one and the Instagram on second one. Here you can see, now log in your username and the password on the first one, and in the second one you can use the Instagram to log in your account. The way you can use the split screen on your iPhone and use two applications at the same time. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.